So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to have your template file always ready to use. If you don't have your template file always ready to use, when you click on new, you would have to come here and you won't see your template file. So you'll be forced to browse. And in my own case, I would have to maybe go to my documents and search for where I kept my template file and then load my template file before clicking OK to start a new project. But there is a way you can set it up so that every time you open Revit, you can see your template file here. And this is how to do that. This is Revit 2025 I'm using. So you click on this icon here, click on File when this icon goes through. After you click on File, you come down here and click on Options. Under Options, you go to File Locations. And under File Locations, the first one you'll see is Project Templates. These are the two project templates that are by default there, but I don't need them, so I can select them and press this red minus button. Why this button is not active? Because you have to have one template at least. So I'll click on the plus sign to add my template. When I click on the plus sign, luckily for me, I've already gone here before. So this is my template. I'll click open and you can see it's there. So once I come up here, I can minus this. So I just have the template I'm working with. If I needed 2 or 3 templates, I can position them. Then I'll click OK. Once that is done, I can click on the Revit icon, on this icon beside the Revit icon to go back. Now, once I click on new, and I come to template file, you see my template is already selected. I don't even need to do anything. And then I'll click on open and then it loads the template. Unfortunately for me, the template is in Revit 2024 and I'm using 2025, so it will have to update it. Okay? So this is the template. I already have my sheets. Now when you have a good working template, you don't need to do so much work. So this is my office template. We already have a lot of things set up. You can see we even have on the ground floor plan, for example, we have like a default building with just quite a few things just to show you maybe how the graphics might be. If you are in need of a Revit template, I have uploaded one and I've also given you an opportunity to support the channel. So if you want to, you can click and pick this up for a cup of coffee. You'll be able to check out my other quick tutorials like this. Cheers, bye.